Hey, what's up? This is JR from On the Other Side of the Road. So, as you can see, I am riding in the rain right now. It is a downpour at this moment, and I am on my way to my mom's house. Right now, it is New Year's Day in the evening. It's around, I would say, it's 6 o'clock, 7 o'clock right now. So it's dark already out in New York City where I'm at. The reason I'm out right now on my way to my mom's house is because I did not spend New Year's Eve with her and the rest of my family. And the reason behind that is because I don't ride in most New Year's Eve at all to my family's house because of drunk drivers. As you can see, I am on a motorcycle right now. You don't know who's drinking and driving after their little parties or whatever. So usually I would probably stay, probably an hour after the ball drops. So that being said, I just stay home, relaxing, and pretty much what I usually do is, since I get up early in the morning to go to work, I'll probably end up falling asleep sometime in the evening and then wake up like an hour or a half hour before the ball drops just to celebrate with my girlfriend, because we're the only two in the apartment. And just before this, I was actually dropping off my girlfriend at her mom's house. She's staying for the night. Her mom is alone at the house, so Arlene wanted to spend the night with her. And I am, like I said, going to my mom's house, but I'm only visiting, and I'm going home afterwards. I'm just gonna stay an hour because this rain is supposed to get even worse on my return back home. Now, you're wondering, why am I on the road on my ultra limited on my way to my mom's house instead of being in a car or driving a car? Well, I'm going to give you the answer to that. The answer is, I've had many cars before I had my bike, and the one thing I found out about owning a car is that sometimes family sucks. And what I mean by that is that when you're owning a car and none of your family members don't own a car, don't know how to drive a car, especially the females in my family, they start giving you phone calls. Hey, can you take me over here? I want to go shopping. I'll pay for the gas, no big deal. And, I'll fill up your tank or whatever, and just take me where I want to go. Well, I live 15 miles away from where they live. So they want me to put my clothes on while I'm chilling out watching TV, or I'm coming out of work, or whatever. They think I'm not busy. And hence why I got a bike. I don't own a car currently right now. I don't want to. I like riding my bike. I have fun on my bike. I like to do whatever on my bike. And the only passenger that I have is my girlfriend. I'll take her wherever she wants to go because we live together, and that's the things that we do for the people we love. So that's what I'm doing. I got a bike. I'm sticking with my bike, and I don't plan on getting a car anytime soon. Because you know what? As soon as I get a car, I'm going to get those phone calls. My current bike is my fifth bike. I've had Sportsters, I had Road Kings, and once you go with the high-end bike, I don't know about you, but I don't think I could step down from here any further because the luxurious softness of this Ultra Limited is amazing. It's unlike any other bike, or maybe not. But I love this bike, and this is what I'll be riding for a long while. So I'm out here riding to see her because I want to spend as much as time as possible I can with her. She is a cancer survivor 2 times. She had melanoma in her right ear, and she also had a breast cancer in one of the breasts. And she survived both of them, and she ended her chemotherapies probably around April, I think. Oh no, actually it was March. Yeah, she ended her chemotherapy, and she's doing very well. She's in good health. She's in good spirits. She was miserable at the time, but you know, those of you who are familiar with cancer and chemotherapy, it is not a good thing. But she's doing really well. I am happy. My sisters are happy. Oh, my sisters become train wrecks when things start happening to moms, you know. But yeah, so I want to spend as much time as I can with her, and I visit her usually every Friday after work in the evening time after I've had dinner. And that is because Saturday and Sunday are my 2 only days I can actually go out and ride. I know, does that sound selfish? Well, it's not just wind therapy, but it's also mental therapy. And you know, like this vlogger from Australia, $1 Million Bogan, he always talking about that, and that's what he does when he's raising money for a mental illness, and he's doing a great job. And I feel bad about what's happened to him with Harley Davidson, but you know, you can look that up. This guy is an unbelievable ambassador for Harley Davidson, but you know, Harley Davidson kind of was giving him the shaft. So why don't you look that up and check him out? That guy is amazing. So Mom, this is a shout out for you. We made it through another year with you, and hopefully it just keeps rolling like this, and you'll become immortal. So I love you. I love my family, and be safe. And a special shout out to my girlfriend Arlene. Love you. And don't forget, be nice to everybody. And peace to all.